All right, Rev people or anyone, I'm trying to figure out what the deal is with my brand new G20 amp. So instead of playing through it and adding noise, and because it gets even worse, thought I would show it with nothing plugged into the front and nothing plugged into the back except for the speaker cable going to the cabinet, matched at the right ohms. And here's I'm on the clean channel, and if I go to and then I click the aggressive button, and if I do the wide button, it gets even faster. And with the wide button on, without the wide button, I've got to be here, and the wide button faster again. But now, if I go with the wide button on, oops, I turned it off, didn't I? It starts right away on the first channel, and then faster and louder. Boom. So this is obviously something's up, and I'm trying to figure out is if this is normal or is it my amp. Rev, I've posted this to you on YouTube, a link to it. I've contacted you, I don't know how many times in an email for, I think the first one was a month ago. So I'm going to try this route and see if you'll get back to me. And also for a musician's friend, I'll post this to you. Should Rev not get back to me or tell me they can't fix it or something, I'll be sending it back. But that's that. Pretty bizarre. I don't see how this could be normal, but maybe it is. That's all.